In this lecture, we are going to learn about scope of variables. Scope means the different locations where a variable or an array which has been declared can be accessed. The areas, different areas of the program where a variable or an array can be accessed. Now basically there are two types of variables as far as scope is concerned: local variables and global variables. Local variables are the variables which are accessible only in the function where they have been declared, and global variables, they can be accessed by all the functions of your program. Now I will explain this with the help of an example. Suppose we have got two functions. The names could be anything. Suppose the name of the first function is first and that of second is second. So here I have declared a variable with the name a. So declaration goes like this: int a is equal to 900. Now if I try to access this variable a in some other function, like in function second, it is going to give me error message. In the comments I have shown error, because at this place I won't be in a position to access this variable a. Why? Because a was declared within the body of the function first, so it will be considered to be local only to this function first. So that means it cannot be accessed by other functions. So these are local variables. On the other side, global variables can be accessed by all the functions. Now the global variables are declared at the top of the program. So like I have declared this variable a, int a is equal to 900. See carefully, I have not declared this function within the body of a function. Rather, it has been declared outside all the functions and particularly at the top of the program. So in the function first, I am accessing this variable a. It will be accessed and its value, if I am going to print it through printf, will be printed as 900. And in the function second also, or for that matter in any function of this program, I can access a. So there is single copy of this variable a which is being shared by all these functions. Now we will see in this topic of local variables, I will show you that we can declare variables with the same name in different functions, but they will be stored separately. For example, here I have got the function first, whereby I have declared a variable a, or suppose int a is equal to 900. Now as you can see, this happens to be the local variable of the function first, and in the function second I have again declared a variable with the same name a, which has been assigned some value, say 1000. Now you should learn it carefully that the variable a which has been declared in the function first and variable a which has been declared within the function second, these are not the same variables. This is not the same variable. This a is different and this a is different. It will be, or both the a's, they will be stored at different memory locations in the memory, right? They will be maintained. This a will be maintained separately for first, and this a will be maintained separately for the function second, right? And now we come to this global variable. Now here I will show you a variable which has been declared globally, and another variable a has been declared within the body of the function first. Now what would happen is, when I would try to access the value of this variable a within the function first, now as you can see, there are two copies of a. One is the variable a which is global, and another variable a is local, of course, which has been declared within the body of this function first. Always remember, the local variables are given the precedence. That means when I am going to access the variable a in the function first, it will ignore, that is override this global variable a, and it will use this variable a, it will access this variable a which was declared locally, right? And in this function second, of course, this global variable a will be used.